Bro, we done from the gym.
Yeah,
We go in a cab.
yeah, we just
The cab just ran away with our fucking cash. And
chat, we just missed our way.
I swear, bro.
it's fucking cool, bro. I think it's and bro says you should report him for stealing his shit.
I swear.
You're not booked yet.
See who you wait for the good snap.
Hey, fit check, man. Fit check. What's up? Fit check.
Oh, we put it on the cutting line.
You know.
We got the daily paper.
Type
We
shit.
got the Katia on the wrist.
Type shit. Let's see the cat here, bro. Let's see that
We
shit.
got the Katia on the wrist.
Aye.
We're just chilling in the street of Dixon, you
Never
know.
collect that camera and take off your mind.
Yeah, you guys do.
What me take off now? I did on Black Air Force now. You know what it mean now? Man, I want to take my camera, take off. When I catch your ass, I'll boot your fucking face with this shoe. Boot your... Hey, boy. This is an Aston Martin. Wants to look like a Vantage, bro. Man, I just...
Just leave my house. Yeah, no, so come and take
Come. Me will bring out the idea.
please now.
Come take me. I mean,
Man, this nigga has been taking pics in the middle of
say
the
that
fucking
you
UA.
no serious at all. Don't take that. Ship back. Hey, if you get.
Is in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone.
Bro angry. Professional cameraman. Why you too?
Got your ass.
The guy's on his way.
I got book right for me, make I dey go out.
So give me here.
Let me give you here. The guy dey come. Be like say he want make I delete this snap now. You no go get out of that. This one too. I say one snap. So everybody want the man. Bro, we just stand for here since this guy dey talk another thing. The guy dey come from here. Which guy dey come? Sam na. You know how hard it take me to form this thing? Bro, this guy dey Dixon Street. Na Dixon Street to stand. When I look on so map, this guy dey front here. So how come you say the guy go turn? Will I say when you open this thing before, this guy dey turn.
Yes, now, but you know they not be here.
Now here.
So they can come down from here now one way.
Yeah, they come. Wait, I want to send this now.
You want to snap the game before we start.
Bro, you guys arguing. The first Uber ran away with their cash, and right now we trying to find another Uber. Okay, I think he's here. Let's see where he's at. Bro, this guy is still filming. Bro, gonna get killed. I swear.
Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. Where you waka dey go? Where you waka dey go when they video you now?
Bro, go Uber. Hey,
People tell them no plan. You just
hey, chill. Let me go in. Let me go in first, bro. Bro, you're stepping on my shoes, boy.
Yeah.
Bro, I was freezing already, man.
Give it. The drop is on. The drop.
Are you cold?
Yeah, just normal.
You just normal.
Yeah, it's not cold.
Then the temperature is just normal, guys.
It's not cold now. No, so send. I send them now. The rock be on. Send them.
Do you know that doing videos on other guy's phone is gay?
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Oh, really?
Personal videos, like
self
it's like putting on your guy's lingering or boxers.
Okay,
on your airdrop now.
you there on now?
Shangotedo niggas will always be Shangotedo niggas.
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's the hood the colored niggas, you know.
Nah, bro, you colored. I ain't colored, bro.
Colored man.
Man, I'm fucking a jabota. You
Oh,
know.
you there on now? You there on, okay? Send
I'm
them.
gonna go get some
What's your
warmth in this beach. You get me some pictures, Sonny.
Okay, send them.
Your airdrop there on.
You there on now?
Wait, where I been put side ago?
Maybe the better idea.
Heading to Rubik, Jesus. No wonder.
Make I see
No wonder. Wait, I say wait. Where they put side they go,
bro.
This is when I enter see this thing.
I say wait. This
Not the house I want. I don't even get top.
Edit and sharp.
This face high level road. Ah fuck. I will
They
change
jump
this
up for the book something. They jump up video kayema.
God damn.
Yeah, gay ass nigga.
God, I say you had no idea. This can you face high level road? High level road. I made a mistake on that.
Man, we're trying to get a cab to leave that Dixon
Now
road.
this
Yeah,
my
Dixon Street.
Uber we don't go master home. So as that guy comes to the thing does the carry me.
No, so you know how many times when that thing don't do me? I book from instead of me to book from Jollof Cafe to Rubik, I book from Rubik to Rubik. Like, don't do me and Rubik to Rubik, they're everything like 56 rand, almost 60 rand. And then everything.
Hey, bro, what are all these?
You press up for the app. Now in the app carry you to go Ruby.
Bro, like you
Press them. You put the address. You carry you to go Ruby.
no, like yes, I put the address. I put Jollof Cafe, but the thing
Man,
is,
I don't know
like
if
that
you got
Jollof
that
Cafe, you
shit.
just
I know
swipe.
everything you want.
I put them, you gotta swipe up that Uber app, do them again. They do me sometimes like that. See you. Please no let now why? I'm not worried. Make it book Uber and make it
And
start.
today I start to use Uber app. I don't know say home the damn.
Okay.
Not query.
Put you home.
Ask him whether he pressed it. Ask him whether he pressed it when he was booking it.
Sam, you know say they go right confirm you.
No, so you press that thing
I
when you
don't
dey book
look-
am. No be snap you dey send when you book this right.
Yes, now as I tell you now, I
Okay,
don't
good.
look. You know when you put that in the right confirm.
Now
I
just
don't
wetin I
already
wan
go
know.
another app. They
Nah,
put
just
it
wetin I wan know. You when I dey look, you dey book, you dey send snap, dey rush, dey book ride.
They take all just accept. Kai.
You can't accept. You accept on your own. The address
Yes,
enter
now,
itself.
Uber they accept on the own. Like as
The
long as
address
I don't
enter
look
itself,
am,
abi.
You know
Changing the
that's
address.
Yeah.
Show me. You make mistake, you send at the app.
And they call them, we'll show you.
We'll show you now. Wait now, make I show you now. Make
Yes, I go sound you. The next how many seconds and you go rush, tell me say yes, okay. One more at this place now. The kind slap I go give you, this Superman go start the beg for you.
Bro, maybe I'll just e-wallet you. The thing is not changing.
No change. But you know where we're going.
Yeah, the banner by you know Mojo Market.
Then Sea Point.
Yes. Mojo Market. Do you know Mojo Market?
I know.
Yes. Why would that?
tell you say today see me go for talk am.
We been see am now. That
You
time
see I'm
we check
saying
95.
for today.
Reggie, you don't pass this time.
You can tell us say don't
Me tell I say waiting again. I better talk that word again.
the month.
Okay. She wanna yell talker. Ma she wanna fit. case you like to know what that means, tap you with Danny. This is Danny.
It means we don't they come, oh. What do you mean?
Oh, you heard him.
Let me just be doing
Chat,
the
today is a
E-wallet,
rainy
so
day,
get that
man.
one.
It's crazy rainy.
By the time you realize that all these things you are doing is not useful, you don't read. All these videos you make. You want to go piece, you don't open your camera. Your memory go too full. Are you editing? Are you posting? All the ones you videos since you came, have you posted anyone?
Bro, those ones have been
Call the
fucked
number.
up now, and I've not been like looking chill. But now, I'm gonna post this one.
And let's see.
I'll holograde and post it.
You collaborate this thing that is dark.
That's why I didn't like record the settings is on manual, so it's not recording with any style of filter or shit.
So when you tell this your chat, say they go.
Child, we're gonna smoke, bro.
They play with your life.
Child, we're gonna Dubai.
5043.
We're gonna Dubai for real.
5043 083
Bro has always been laughing at me because I make videos, I make vlogs, and I don't post shit.
So
And
video you want to put person for trouble.
I tell this your chat.
And Danny na say in talk one word now we explain now. She Danny.
Yeah, type shit.
Because they explain to fans so you know get. So now what you mean be this?
Chat. The only reason he's talking to us is because
Take me
he's
to talk
seen
to
us.
chat now.
Yeah, so by weekend we're having something for you guys, chat. We're
something crazy.
We're going on a road trip, you know, and
Stay tuned, yeah.
we've got a lot of activities to feed you guys with.
Yeah, we just go out the cab. See what's going on. Right, bro? Yeah, definitely.
Real street niggas gonna feel this shit. And I don't want niggas to get misunderstood. Cause the rules
This
we
is
live
time,
by
this is time, bro.
don't even matter no more. Just to sit back for you to come back. You can't hold a nigga down forever.
Set you
You know what I'm
guys
saying? Sit down. Put all this shit down. Straight up.
bring out the asset of
Is it random?
No, I trust him.
If I look for Facebook guy, Jesus.
Rap for 2 hours on Facebook.
They're trying to play.
I mean, give me my phone where they are there.
You shout Facebook to the chat.
Jesus, so don't be me, ass, man. Me,
Man, what do you guys think about my formation? Hey, let's see. I need Rashford, boy. Hey, they ain't got Rashford yet. Fuck. But I think we can work with this. Let's work with this. Rashford. Are you ready?
like, no be game we dey play. That way they play me. But that's not game. This is a corner. How? I started. You do what? You want to go? That's what you want to reply. You already know what you want to reply.
It's a normal load like that. You understand that? So he has access to his account.
You know the one that's
Yes, I know the reply, but I'm not telling you like that.
Okay,